Hello, welcome to the 1CapApp video series. Today we're going to talk about recurring events. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to go to Setup Sessions. I have created a preset for recurring students. It's called Students Monday through Friday. Call this Test Recurring Monday, Wednesday, Friday. To set up a recurring event, you check this recurring session. To make it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you check weekly. If you want it every day, check daily, and it's every day, and you can make it every other day, so forth, and every weekday. You have all kinds of options here. You can do it monthly. I don't know why you'd have a yearly event, but anyway, we'll stick with Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You have to supply an end date. So let's make it 2015, December 31st. And we're going to make it private. And say our student is Mary. Well, let's call him George. And we want to make George a viewer because it is a private session. And then we save it. Interesting about recurring is that you get these little two arrows that say, hey, it's recurring. So you can see that this session is recurring. The other thing that is neat about recurring sessions is that you have an extra menu item under Actions to show planned sessions. So if you click on that, it gives you a list of all the recurring sessions for this. And you can tell it how far out you want to display the sessions. Notice that this first one is planned. If I come in and change something about this one recurring session, oops. If I change something on this one, it will not affect this planned session. So if I come in and edit recurring and maybe change it to 9 a.m. instead of midnight, it will not show up on this one because this one has already gone to a status of planned. It's not planned recurring. So this one's on 4/3, which is tomorrow, and so it will show only the changes that you make to recurring only are affected, only affect the recurring planned ones. You would have to go in there and change this yourself manually if you needed it done on this one also. Now the other thing you can do, I can come over here and change this one session to 9 o'clock in the morning. and it only changes that one session. So all these other ones are the same. And then subsequently, if I come in here and edit recurring, it will not change that one. Let's make them all 10 o'clock now, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So they're all 10 o'clock except for that one that I changed individually. When you change an individual recurring session in the series, it's like it pulls it out of the series and makes it special all by itself. So it changed all of these to 10 except for the one that I changed individually and the very first one that's in this plan status. This is just stuff to remember. Now let's go back to setup sessions again, and notice it only will show the next recurring session. So if I come in here and I start this and I stop it, the next one that shows up is for the next day, or the next Monday, Wednesday, Friday day, which was the 6th. And so if we come back in here again, the show plan sessions, it'll show this one is finished and the next one's planned, and all the rest of them are recurring planned. This is just stuff to keep in mind. If you come in here and edit that session, hang on. Come in here and edit this recurring session. It tells you, it explains how it works, where it does not update that plan status. Anyway, that's recurring sessions. If you have any questions, give us a call or email us at contact@1CapApp.com. And thanks for using 1CapApp. See you later.